Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will be testing what happens when you overload an RC car or use a higher voltage battery than the motor can handle. To start, I fixed the motor to a chassis in order to overload it. I won't be using an electronic speed controller to avoid damaging it, as this video focuses on motors, not ESC. First, I used a 7.4-volt battery, and the motor performed as expected without any sparks. Then I switched to a 3S battery, and the motor started running extremely fast, the sound and speed indicating that something was going wrong. The motor started glowing green, indicating that the copper was likely burning or melting. The extreme heat caused solder joints from the motor's PCB to melt and bounce around. The motor then turned from green to red, indicating further damage. As the wheels slowed down, the motor became extremely hot and eventually broke. Smoke started coming out of the motor, and I had to let it cool down before opening it up. Inside, I found that the copper windings were not actually burned out. But one of the copper brushes had broken off and melted, with the carbon brushes sticking to the plastic. I don't believe it can be restored unless I change the copper brushes. The reddish glow we saw towards the end was the carbon brushes heating up. This was such a crazy, fun, educative, expensive, and dangerous way to find out what happens to a motor when overload and high voltage is applied. I did it for you guys so that you don't get to be exposed to this risky test. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.